In this video, I'll show you how to clean contacts in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, click on the fifth option, which is Audience. Once you are on the Audience section, it will show you the list of all of your contacts. Now, in order for you to clean your contacts, what you need to do is simply head over to the subscription status, which is the second filter at the top. Now, if you click on subscription status, at the bottom, you want to simply highlight email unsubscribed and email non-subscribed. Now, that will show you the list of all of your contacts that are either email unsubscribed or non-subscribed. And in order for you to clean them, what you can do is two things, either delete or archive. In order for you to do that, simply head over to the top of the table. On the left-hand side, click on the checkbox. That will select all of your contacts. Now, I do suggest that you archive instead of delete, since if you made a mistake on a contact, you can just simply bring them back. So at the top, click on the third option, which is archive. Once you do that, a pop-up will show. From here, it will ask if you are sure that you will archive two contacts. And in order for you to confirm, simply head over to the bar. From here, you want to type archive capitalized. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on archive. Once you do that, as you can see, all of the contacts that are email unsubscribed and non-subscribed are automatically archived. Now, in order for you to see all of your archived contacts, at the top bar of contacts, head over to the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions, and at the bottom, click on Archive Contacts. Now, that will take you to all of the contacts that are archived. Now, let's say you want to unarchive a contact. On the left-hand side, click on the checkbox, and at the top, you will have an option to unarchive. Let's say you want to delete a contact, so head over to the email address and click on it to view the contact profile. And from this contact, head over to the top and right corner on the action section, and at the bottom, click on delete. Now in here, it will automatically ask you that this contact is currently archived. At the bottom in the right corner, click on permanently delete contact if you are sure. And once you do that, it should delete the exact contact in which we archive. Now, I do suggest that when cleaning, you archive first and then delete, so the process is much shorter and it will lessen more of the errors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.